Hello, friends. Welcome back to today's Do Not Get It Right with Savan Kumar. And today, we are not going to be trapped with our surroundings. Yes, we are not going to be trapped with our surroundings by our surrounding. What do I mean by a trap? There is always a trap around us. There is always a trap around us. There has always been a trap all around us. An invisible one. A trap that we never see. A trap laid by the society. A trap laid by the negativities. A trap laid by the failures. And we are never seeing it, but we are most of the times getting stuck in it. Are you getting my point? Yes, we are, most of us are always stuck in that trap of negativity, trap of the surrounding, trap of the failures around. So, what do we do about that trap? What do we do about that trap? How do we fly away from the trap? Only a few are able to fly. Only a few are able to fly. Only a few are able to go against the trap and against the gravity and take a successful flight. And what do? We see them and say to ourselves, man, what a lucky guy he is. He is able to fly. We keep saying that, man, he was such lucky. He had the support of somebody. He must have got something. He must have had got some blessing from somebody that he is able to fly, but I am stuck here in that this trap. What we are not able to understand is the hard work, the effort that guy took to fly against the trap, against the gravity. So we need to do the same. And trust me, it is very tough in the beginning, very tough in the beginning, because you are going to fly against the negativities, fly against the failures, fly against everything that is around you. So it is going to be very tough in the beginning, but once you fly, once you fly high in the sky, you are never gonna look back. It The next flight is not gonna be as tough as it was for the first one. The first one was really tough, but the next fly would not be tough. Because when you are there on the top, when you are here flying with other people who also overcame, who also overworked, who also took that trap of themselves, of failure, of negativity. Now you are flying with people who have learned to fly, who took that pain to fly, who had that determination to fly, who had failed the failures, who had failed the negativities around, and they have come here in the sky, and now you are flying with those people around you who have been successful. So that is what we I mean to say when I say that you have to surround yourself with positive people. You have to surround yourself with successful people, which is not going to be easy. Which is not going to be any easy, because it is very difficult to find those people. You will always find a lot of negative people around you. You will always be trapped by the surroundings. But you will have to work hard, give enough to come out of the trap, come out of that negativity, and come into that elite group of successful people, positive people who live life, who know how to live life, who do not ever complain about the things, who are never complaining about the problems that they are facing, who are never complaining about the stress that they have, but they are always so cheerful, they are always so happy, and they are always so optimistic about everything in their life that you would not find a single drop of negativity inside them. No matter how big the problem is, no matter how big the challenge is, they are ready to face it with a very positive state of mind. So you have to fly with them, and when you learn to fly with them, even if you fail, they will be holding you back. They are going to hold you back, and they will make sure that you keep flying in the sky. So you just have to take one attempt of flying in the sky, and you will never come back. You will never want to come back, and you will make sure that you keep flying. When the rocket flies in the sky, the first few seconds, the first few minutes, are very tough, extremely tough, because it has to go against a lot of things, against the gravity, against the air. It has to go against so many things. But once it gains the momentum, once it goes, once it has already gone against the gravity, and it has gained the momentum, it is not that difficult then. They need all the propellers and the fire, everything when they are starting off. But once they are there on the top, once they have got that momentum, they do not need it any further. So you will only need it once. You would need that energy only once to come or get out of that trap and fly high in the sky. Rest would be taken care of. So you need to do it once. And if you do it once, if you have the courage to do it once, if you have the commitment to do it once, if you are so obsessed, only if you are so obsessed that you really want to get out of this trap, you would be able to get out of the trap. And if you are able to, trust me, my friend, trust me, my dear friends, you will be successful. You will be flying with the successes. You will find the life to be cheerful and happy and enjoying. You won't be complaining, you won't be negative, you won't be failing anymore. Even if you fail, it would be to learn something new. You would not anymore be failing. You would never have a hard time. You would never have a problem or a stressful life, because you would never see at a problem as a problem. You would never see at a stress as a stress, but you would always see all those negativities then as new opportunities, new solutions, and new things in your life. So learn and try to get out of the trap of the surroundings and be successful one day. Wish you all the best from me, Savan Kumar, and I'll see you in the next video on something about do not getting it right. Have a good day. Bye bye.